20 good habits of good kids. 1. Wake up early.
What a beautiful
2.
morning.
Make your bed.
All neat and tidy.
3.
Time to brush my
your
teeth.
4.
Time
Take
for
a
bubbles.
bath.
Whee! Sun! Quack, quack.
5.
Time to dry off.
Pray
Thank
or
you for
say
this
thank
day.
you. 6. Wear clean clothes. 7. Eat healthy breakfast. 8. Pack school bag. 9.
Listen well in class today,
to
sweetie.
parents
We're
and
proud of
teachers.
you, buddy.
And that's how it works. Understand?
10. Study on time. 11.
Time for a
Eat
snack.
healthy food.
Yummy apple. Crunchy carrot.
12.
Yay!
Play
Time
on
to play
time.
outside. This is fun. I could skip all day.
13. Drink plenty of water. 14. Exercise daily. 15. Do homework daily. 16. Keep things clean. 17.
Hey, look
Be
what I
kind
have.
and
wow,
polite.
What is it? A toy car. You can have it. Really? Thanks.
18.
Namaste,
Respect
Mom and Dad.
everyone.
Namaste, my dear. You look
Namaste. What a lovely greeting.
19.
Let's all have a light
Eat
dinner.
light dinner.
That's a wonderful idea.
Let's eat.
Hey.
20.
All right, sweetie,
Sleep
time for bed.
on time.
Okay, Mommy.
Good night, champ.